Welcome. Today in History, December 17th, holds some fascinating moments. In 1903, the Wright brothers achieved their monumental first sustained flight, forever changing how we connect and explore. Imagine the sheer courage and ingenuity it took to defy gravity for the very first time. Later, in 1963, the first successful heart transplant in Britain was performed, a testament to human progress and the relentless pursuit of healing. These events remind us of our capacity for innovation and compassion. Thank you for joining us for this glimpse into the past. We hope you found it inspiring.